Actually, I created a data set. So this was the data set. Totally, these are all the types of pets we had created. So for I created first the data set will be this. Okay, for training 8 classes. Each classes contain above 400 images. And for testing, the same 8 classes with 20 percentage of images. By using VGGNet, I started the training. So this was the training process. As of now, it is completed 19 bar. Actually, I trained 50 times of e-pouches. Okay, so for 50 e-pouches, it will nearly get accurate nearly 98 percentage or 99 also. It is taking long time. So totally here 8 classes by using VGGNet. These are all the layers. So why? Because we are training for first time. All the images will be loaded and the accuracy will be this and the loss will be this. Each time of training, the accuracy will be gradually increase and the loss will be gradually decrease. So it taking long time. So I planned to create VGG 50% with the data set of 50% with the name of data set 1. I had reduced the data set sizes only 50 images for each classes and I started the training. For this itself, I am getting nearly 95 percentage of accuracy. You can see here the training loss for the it's reducing as the same time for training accuracy with the validation accuracy also it reaching above 95%. Once the training is over, then I am executing a project here. How? In the sense, by using Steamlight, I'm executing a web app. So I'm going for Anaconda command prompt. We have to copy the path of the project. So the Streamlight app will be open. So here you have the option to upload the image of the paste and it will predict what type of pets it is and what will be the recommendation also. To deploy, it will take some time. You have to wait. So right now I'm going to choose the image. It display the image and it match with the train module. Actually, we only created the train module, so the prediction will be HA. So the recommendation will be this. So if you know a related you can share it to me by a WhatsApp. I will add further recommendation also.